Alright, day one of our trip to Dry Tortuga.
Very early. We got here at 6. No. We got here at 4:30 and we left the house at 1. We never slept.
Didn't stop.
We pulled an all-nighter.
Mikey and I
are very tired right now.
I can barely think.
We woke up earlier than seminary. Who the heck does that?
We didn't even wake up.
Exactly.
We didn't go to bed.
And look at all these people here. Oh my gosh. How could you wake up this early?
We're trying to get on the boats.
So right now we're on the standby list. So if somebody doesn't show up, then we'll make it on the boat. Yeah, so we're gonna try catching some big fish, sharks, groupers, and we'll get back to you guys, alright? So stay tuned.
Look at this dude's shoes. We call them the, what are they called?
The fish flops.
Fish flops. We full day major time. They wouldn't let us go on the boat because we weren't allowed to camp. Because only 10 people are allowed to camp on the island at a time. So we couldn't go on the boat. So we've just been driving around all day looking for home. We pulled over to the side of the road for 2 hours and took a nap. We've been up since 1. Way before that. 7 in the morning yesterday, technically. And now we're getting shaved ice, eating it, you know, cotton candy.
I'm so sad, guys.
But it's okay, we're gonna get a place to sleep in tonight, and we're gonna go fishing tomorrow on a boat. Renting out our boats. If we can get the money. Yep.
Right now, there's about 45-mile-an-hour winds, and we're about to fall over. Just kidding, we're going on a boat offshore to go catch some
Snapper
pappers.
Yeah.
So,
Okay,
yeah.
$50. They offer. Alright, we're here fishing.
Oh, shoot.
Catching some snappers.
I'm good at it.
Not as big as the hammerhead I jumped on. Loaded my spear gun, the bubbles cleared, and I looked down below and something 10-foot hammerhead beneath me.
Place to start.
I've never had
Alright, so yesterday we stayed in the car at Robbie's here. That is, we just saw that sign. Here we are, about to go on the boat. Silva!
waking me up at 4:30.
Okay, here we are.
McDonald's. We're about to go rent the boat. Hopefully it'll float. Hey, that rhyme.
Hoping to get some tarpon.
Tarpon or shark?
Shark. Right now we're waiting for Brother Silva. He's at CVS getting some who know what.
Right before we came to McDonald's, we were driving and the battle wagon completely fell over in the middle of the road, right in the middle of the intersection. And I had to stop the car and run out like a madman. Fish flops.
Yeah. All day is coming back.
So yeah, I guess we'll catch you guys in the water.
Alright, so we just got on the boat for the rental that we took, and we're out now.
Going fishing. We got ourselves a 18-foot little Mako Super Sport. Got Silva.
Captain Silva.
Capitan. Rods in the back. American flag. And Emilio. Medica. See you guys when we catch a shark.
Alright, so here we are at, what is it called? Worldwide Sports.
Yeah. We just parked here on our boat.
We parked our boat here. We're about to eat lunch right now.
Yeah, we parked over there. Tarpon right there. I don't think we need a shirt for this place, so
Maybe. I don't
maybe.
know. I'm gonna explore myself.
So you wanna try that one, please?
We're gonna try a new place today. Beach Cafe Morada Bay. Hey.
Favorite fishing. Look at the big tarpon. Look at the big tarpon. Look, look, look.
The nurse sharks are having so much fun. And they're gonna eat it right now.
Oh, here we go.
He's like, yeah.
Oh, the big one's gonna find it right now. Oh,
They keep swimming over it.
there we go.
There's a huge tarpon.
Alright, so we have a nurse shark on here in a secret spot. Got it.
We can't get it out of the water because it's illegal.
Pull it out.